everybody, I'm Shannon McIntosh, professional driver, instructor, and I am so excited to present you Porsche's 911 GT3 RS Challenge, where over 12,000 people entered the Forza Online Cup. Only 8 will get to level 2, where they will have the opportunity to compete on the stage at Gamescom. Let's see what happened so far in level 1. Check it out for yourself.
Welcome to the Porsche 911 GT3 RS Challenge. We're in for race number 1 already, which is on the well-known Silverstone racing circuit.
Eddie is going through a little bit rough on the inside. A little bit quick, but oh, look at this late braking.
Yeah, Eddie's not giving up. But Eddie turning around. Eddie losing a lot of time as well. They're still fighting. Leish on the outside. They are pretty fast. They are a lot quicker than Eddie on that straight. Eddie, full contact with Leish. Going off wide. Leish also crashing, nearly hitting the wall, nearly spinning around. He got back on the track in the lead. Look at that. Eddie on third, Essex in second.
Wow, this is amazing what's happening. The overtake was pretty well done. I mean, sometimes you just have to send it.
Is Raceboy winning his group with 80 points, so he will be at Gamescom. Box gets that Gamescom ticket. Leish is third. Vitality Essex, Kemi, Bam, and Tool. Kaiser Wolves gets one as well. There will be Turtle Toby getting the ticket to Gamescom.
So the competition in the Forza Online Cup was absolutely incredible, but now the real challenge begins. Take a look at what is coming for all of these competitors.